Hey everyone, in this short video we're covering constants and immutable variables in Solidity, two ways to optimize your smart contracts and save gas. Constants are variables that never change. They're hard encoded into the contract and use less gas. Example, this is constant variable for UN256. Use uppercase naming for constants by convention. Immutable variables are similar. They can't be changed after deployment. But unlike constants, you can set them in the constructor. Example, use immutables when the variable is now only at deployment time. In short, use constants for fixed values. Use immutables for values known at deployment. Both help save gas and makes your contracts more efficient. I can deploy it. This is deploy result for constant variable and this is for immutable. This get me variable when deployment. For example, I enter 2000, deploy. The value assigned on my integer 2000. My address is this. Thanks for watching.